Let's straight away talk about the markets in the last half an hour of trade. Right now, if you see, the Nifty is trading at 25,199. There's a 0.5% of a dip. Remember, the last half an hour has seen a sudden sell-off into the markets, which has pulled down the index from the day's high point as well. Most of the sectors have also come under pressure because of this. Remember, it was the IT index which has been the biggest sell-off that we've been seeing right from morning. It's still hovering about 3% lower in trade, followed by pharma. We're also seeing the broader markets also come under pressure, over 1% loss for the small cap index and about 0.6% of a decline for the mid cap index today. We're also looking at autos, consumer durables, FMCG and the banking spaces at large also seeing selling pressure. Barring metals, media, indices, rest all of the sectors have slipped. It is India VIX that is up by 6%. So the fear is back into the markets, gripping the sentiments. That's the fear index. Let's actually welcome our guest on board. Shaina Mukaddam joins in, a market expert, to help us with the more on the market. Shaina, warm welcome. Good afternoon to you. Help us understand what has led to this sudden sharp sell-off into the markets. We were hoping that the day one of the GST rollout is going to be cushioning the sentiments in the domestic trade, despite the fact that H-1B visa fee has been hiked, disturbing the sentiments once again on the Lal Street.
Some profit booking we saw start off on Friday itself, after a couple of weeks of positive up move. And on the weekend news, regarding the H-1B visas, actually, while it has been rolled back to a large extent, so the impact on domestic IT per se, the listed companies, is not much. It's very minuscule. At the same time, it has affected the overall sentiment. Also, what we have seen is that the GST is a very big positive, the GST cut, and it's a very big policy move that the government has done. At the same time, a lot of this has been to some extent factored into the price over the last couple of weeks, once the announcement came in force. So, and stocks are not cheap, valuations are a bit stretched. So all these factors are putting a pressure on the overall market. Profit booking is there.
Sure. Profit booking is what is being seen in the markets right now. Hold that thought there, Shaina. I'm going to be coming to you.